Hi, my name is Anthony Skinner. I'd like to thank you for joining me. What I'd like to do today is just share with you one of the most powerful, most amazing products that you would ever see on the marketplace today. And just before I get into it, what I'd like to do is really just make sure you understand a disclaimer here. Foreign exchange, options, and cryptocurrency trading carries a high level of risk that may not be suitable for all investors. Leverage creates additional risk and loss exposure. Before you decide to trade or engage with these, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience level, and risk tolerance. You could lose some or all of your initial investment. Do not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Risk capital is money that can be lost without jeopardizing one's financial security or lifestyle. Educate yourself on the risks associated with foreign exchange, options, and cryptocurrency trading, and seek advice from an independent financial or a tax advisor if you have questions. Now, first and foremost, I want to make sure and mention this. You are not investing with my company. You're not investing with me. You are basically opening a broker's account. There are thousands of brokers around the globe. And what we do is we actually just provide the software that generates either trades or signals to you so that you can actually make an educated decision on what it is you'd like to do. This software has been designed from the ground up to calculate based on market information, based on live market information, the potential for a trade. And if you authorize the software to trade on your behalf, it completes the trade for you, win or lose. We cannot guarantee any income. There is no income guarantees. There is no guarantee of any winnings. And everything that you'll see from here on is illustrative and for educational basis. So let's start off with what the software basically does. It is a Forex trading software. What is Forex? Forex is the foreign exchange. It is where banks and major commercial financial institutions, corporations go to exchange money on a daily basis. Average people encounter foreign exchange when you go to another country and you purchase currency. Now, with this platform, you don't actually own the currency. All you're doing is trading currency backward and forward, and you're making profits based on that. So if you can take a look at one of our other videos that talks about Forex and get a little more understanding of it. But here's the deal. You have the potential with Forex to really get an advantage in the marketplace, to take your money to start working for you every single day. How would you like that? Every single day, your money working for you instead of you working for your money. Forex gives you that advantage. Don't get me wrong. There are risks involved, and you have to be able to accept the risk. But as I always tell people, if you risk nothing, you risk everything. If you keep your money in the bank, how much are you risking there? A lot, because it's not going to grow. And every year, inflation eats away at the value of your dollar. So if your dollar is not increasing, it's actually decreasing. So let's take a look at what this software can do. When you get your package, you'll be able to get a software where you can connect it to your broker's account. And basically, in your broker's account, you can go in there, set up the software, connect it to your account, your live account, and basically what it'll do, it'll start examining the marketplace. What we're going to do here is what we call strategy testing. We're going to test the software against the marketplace, looking at historical history, and just seeing basically what would the software do if it were running on your account, let's say at the beginning of this month, and that's where we're going to start with August the 1st, 2018. We're going to go to August the 26th, 2018. I'm going to see just how the software would have performed if it were running on your account. Now, it's highly recommended that you start with at least 500, maybe 1,000 to be safer. But the more you put in, the safer you are. This software is designed to adjust your account or the trading volume based on the size of your account. And there are many settings that you can use to actually reduce your risk of loss. Again, let's just take a look at this. And you want to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. So let's make sure you understand that. So let's take a look at how this can work. We're going to start this. We're going to look at it. Over here, you're going to see the results. So we're going to start this right here. And then we're going to come back and we're going to see how this software would have traded. We start off at $5,000 and we're going to see how the software will actually trade by today. Let's just say today you started that. How would the software, what would be the results? So let's pause here and come right back. Okay, folks, we're back, and boy, this is so amazing. And guys, let me just let you know that we use up to 15. Actually, we recommend about 15, but we can do up to 30 different currencies and about 3 to 4 different commodities with this software. That includes silver, gold, and oil. And what's so important for you to understand is that this software, again, does the trades. It finds the trades for you. And of course, if you turn it on to auto trade for you, it'll trade for you. Or you can just take the signals that the software sends to you. So here we go. Here in the software, it has done some trades. You can see here some trades won about $3. Here you go, $6 for some of those. And at the end of the month, or at the end of the period of time we just chose, just using one currency pair, we would have made about $35.40. This is real money, folks. This could have been real money in your account. Again, there's no guarantee. We don't know where the markets are. There's a lot of safeties built into the software to help prevent it from losing transactions, but that's unavoidable in a real world marketplace. But here's the deal. The potential for that is amazing. So this is one currency. You had $5,000 in the account. If you had $5,000 in an account, how long do you believe it'll take you to make $35? Now, I don't know about you, but the banks, if you put $5,000 into a bank account, you can go to your local bank right now and you put $5,000, they're giving you less than 1%. Let's just see what 1% is, though, of $5,000 times 0.01. In 1 year, you would have made 50 bucks. In less than a month, we were able to produce $35.40. Again, this is just hypothetical, but what if you had 15 currencies working for you on a monthly basis, generating approximately the same thing? Let's just say you had 15 times $35. That's $525. Now, I don't know what part of the world you're from, but when you put $5,000 and you get $525, folks, that is a 10% increase. That is a 10% increase on your money. Now, again, we can't guarantee this. We have to let you know there are risks in doing this, but the potential is huge. You can also lose $500. Those are the risks that you take when you put money in. But what's so much better is you have a much better chance of winning this because you could always turn off the software at any time. You are in full control of the software. So folks, what we'd like you to do is go ahead and sign up for our trial period. Get this software, test it out, give it some time. No obligation to test the software out. In fact, we're a performance-based company. What does that mean? It means that if the software doesn't perform, you don't pay. You can stop paying at any time. You could cancel your subscription at any point in time. In fact, you will only pay for winning trades. You heard me correct. You will only pay for winning trades. This is Anthony Skinner. I want to thank you so much for viewing the video. The Ultimate Trader is available to you now. www.ultimateautotrader.com. www.ultimateautotrader.com. Visit there. Go ahead, get yourself signed up, and get your software rolling. We'll show you how to make this work for you. Thank you, everyone. God bless.